friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I talk about rational number. So first we will give definition of rational number. So I write this definition. Any number which can be written in the form P by Q, where Q does not equal to 0, are called rational number. Similarly, a number of the form P by Q, where Q does not equal to 0 and P and Q integers and P by Q is in its simplest form. That is P and Q don't have any common factors, is called rational number. P and Q both actually belongs the set of integer Z, where capital Z is the set of integer, where capital Z is -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's this. Okay, friends. This is the set of integer. So first thing which we can understand from this, any number can be represented as in this form of P by Q is called rational number. So example, 2 is equals to 2 by 1. 2 is represented as 2 by 1. P is equals to 2 and Q equals to 1. 2 is numerator and 1 is denominator. Both of them belong to set of integer. Both of them belong to set of integer. And second example is 3 by 4. 3 by 4, a number which can be represented as a fraction are called rational. 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. P equals to 3 and Q equals to 4. Both of them belong to set of integer Z. Got it? And third is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 tends to P by Q. All of them in the form of P by Q, and there is no common factor numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. There is no common factor numerator and denominator, and so all these numbers are called rational number. Fourth example, 1 by 0. P is equals to 1, Q equals to 1, 0. Q does not equal to 0. It is not possible. Q does not equal to 0. And 0 by 1, 1 divided by 0, P by Q. It is a rational number. P is equals to 0 and Q equal to 1. Fifth example. Any integer z equals to tends to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any integer, any rational number, any whole number, all of them can be represented in the form. That is why we say that all of them actually the subset of Z. First we had rational number, first we had natural number. N equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, infinitive. Then we had whole number which had one extra zero, a set of whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on. Natural number is actually the subset of whole number. Natural number is actually the set of whole number. Natural number is actually the subset of whole number. And a whole number is actually the subset of integer. Got it? Got it. The rational number is represented as Q. The rational number represent as Q. The number like that, root 2, root 35, root 5, pi, these number cannot be represented as rational number. Cannot be represented as rational number. Rational number P by Q. Rational number represented as Q dash. This set is equally represented as Q dash. The rational number represent as Q and irrational number represent as the. The irrational number represented as Q dash. They are together rational number and irrational number. The set of rational number Q union the set of irrational number Q dash. The set of irrational number are called real number. Are called real number. Are called real number. Together they are called real number. Natural number is equally natural number subset of W whole number. Natural number is actually the subset of whole number, and whole number is actually the subset of integer, and integer is actually the subset of rational number Q. And rational number is actually the subset of real number. Natural number is actually the subset of whole number, and whole number is actually the subset of integer, and integer is actually the subset of rational number, and rational number is actually the subset of real number. Natural number is a proper subset of whole number, and whole number is a proper subset of integer, and integer the proper subset of rational number, and a rational number is a proper subset of real number. That is finished. So I represent here natural number is a proper set of whole number, and whole number is actually the subset of integer, and integer is a proper subset of rational number, and rational number is a proper subset of real number. And in a Mohr circle, The innermost circle can be represented as a natural number. The innermost circle represent as natural number. After this circle represent as a set of whole number, and the circle represent as set of integer, and the circle represent a rational number, and the inside the circle represent as real number, which is actually the subset of all of other types of number. Natural number is actually the subset of whole number, and a whole number is actually the subset of integer, and integer is actually the subset of rational number, and rational number is actually the subset of real number. इन हिंदी रेशनल नंबर को हम हिंदी में प्रमेय संख्या कहते हैं. एनी नंबर विच कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पी बाई क्यू. अगर कोई भी नंबर हो हम उसे किसकी फॉर्म में लिखेंगे? पी बाई क्यू की फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. क्यू डज नॉट इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, जहाँ हमारा क्यू डज नॉट इक्वल टू ज़ीरो होना चाहिए, जिसे हम प्रमेय संख्या कहेंगे. सेम ऐसे ही अ नंबर ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑफ पी बाई क्यू, जो हमारा नंबर होगा पी बाई क्यू के फॉर्म होगा, और क्यू डज नॉट इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, क्यू डज नॉट इक्वल टू ज़ीरो होगा. पी एंड क्यू डोंट हैव एनी कॉमन फैक्टर. जो पी एंड क्यू की जो वैल्यू होगी उनका पी एंड क्यू की जो वैल्यू होगी वो सेम नहीं होगी. जैसे ये टू है, टू बाई वन, तो ये क्या होगा? अलग अलग नंबर होंगे, कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे टू, यहाँ पे टू, दिस इज रॉन्ग. कॉमन डोंट हैव एनी कॉमन फैक्टर. तो p इज इक्वल्स टू टू एंड q इक्वल्स टू वन. दिस इज अ रेशनल नंबर, मतलब प्रमेय संख्या. दो बट इसे ऊपर वाले को हम अंश कहेंगे और नीचे वाले को हम हर कहेंगे. अंश बट्टे हर, जिसे हम प्रमेय संख्या कहेंगे. ये आपका प्रमेय संख्या हो गया. ये सब.